conference, going on a river trip. You ready?
Yep.
You ready?
No.
Hey, are you ready?
Yeah.
It's gonna be awesome. No one's gonna die. Hopefully.
So step right up. There is no more.
No! All right, we made it to Moab. You guys ready? You ready to go down the river?
No,
oh,
come here.
I'm scared. Oh no! You ready to go down the river?
Oh yeah. It's gonna be sweet, guys. It's gonna be so awesome.
You think something crazy gonna happen? Or are we gonna tip?
Oh yeah. We're all going in the water, guys.
Well, what if we go in on like
on
a
this
rapid and die?
Well, that's gonna be amazing.
You want to die?
No, I don't want to die. We won't die in the rapids.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today we're about to go die in a river. Just kidding. We're gonna have so much fun. But I feel like I'm like carrying a baby. Not just on the flip side. Yeah, up in heaven. Because we won't survive.
You guys ready to go down the river? Let's do it! We're young, come our young ones, okay? 3, 2, 1, yeah! All right, we're on the bus. You guys ready for this? Let's do this. Woo. Hey!
Hi.
Pardon me. No photos.
All right, we're about to hop in. Let's do this. Everyone's ready. Kate and I, we are taking a ducky.
Come on guys, we got this. Yeah! Woo!
Oh yeah. Here come the other boats. Hey!
I'm really terrified. Oh, we're going straight for it. Yeah, we actually are. Oh no!
Going down some rapids. Whoa, yeah, these are our biggest rapids yet on here. Okay, we got left side versus right side. What's gonna be better, left side, right? We got Ethan, Heidi, what's your name? And then Landon.
Guys, I just got on the boat. It's called a ducky. It's like a mini kayak. It's pretty awesome. Oh my, we're going in. Whoa! Let's try not to go into the side. Oh, this is crazy. Let's try to dodge it. Oh, we did it! This is awesome, yeah! We are approaching what looks like our first rapids of the day. Never mind, that's just a turn. Oh, never mind. Rapids right there. It's gonna be awesome. Uh-oh, we're going out of sideways. Yeah, I filmed my entire time.
We made it through.
Oh, that was awesome, yeah.
This is our setup. I got my straps, so I'm hooking onto cage straps, and this tree's a little creaky, so hopefully it does not break because there's 4 hammocks hooked to it. Wish us luck. Everyone else is setting up camp, all like 80 of us. We've got Cade, and we've got Dogman back there, Doman.
Can I try your...
No, not with those dirty feet. And then we got, what's up? Say hi. Yo, what's up, guys? Hey, JT, you liking the beans?
I love the beans.
You love the beans?
The beans are the beans.
JT, you know, as the old saying they say, beans, beans, the magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you toot. But the more you toot, the better you feel. So, guys, what do? It's a beans for every meal.
That was the worst thing I've ever heard. Yeah, that all right. I'm just kidding. It was amazing. Good job.
I thought that was very well scripted.
He's dead. Someone killed him. You fall in a hammock.
It was crabby. It was crabby.
How's dinner?
It was okay.
Could have been better. That was so bad.
Great. Hey, this is what we do at night. Oh yeah. We're doing a light show. Oh, he's got the glasses.
I'm gonna throw the glow stick and it's gonna stay up there. Yeah, he actually got that one up there. I wasn't filming it, so they're trying an even more impossible one up there. You suck. Oh, that was actually close. Yo, you ready for this, guys? 360. Oh. Get down here!
Right, we just cleaned up camp. This is where our hammocks were. Everyone's cleaning up. Putting the last hammocks away. We're getting breakfast. Got some pancakes. What's up, Bryton? How are you liking the breakfast?
I mean, it's pancake and sausage. You can't complain much.
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good. All right, I gotta get some now.
Hey guys, what's up? Today's day 2, even though I'm wearing the same clothes. That's called camping. Here we have Bryton coming on our boat today.
I don't know about that.
He is, because we're gonna destroy Overbach.
Overbach's gonna die today.
Team Overbach.
Team Overbach. Whoa! Oh, they're all going overboard. What is this? You guys good? What's up, guys? You guys having a good time? Oh, yeah. What's up?
You know, hey, nothing much, you know.
What's up, JT?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
You have 5 seconds. Say whatever you want.
I'm cold.
Don't you dare, Jason. I'm in dangerous waters. Help me!
You need to keep the yellows in the middle of the boat. Slowly open backwards tight. And see how it's tight? Okay, lean back slowly.
Oh, go Bryton!
Woo, yeah. This feels good. I'm floating down. My raft is way over there. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get back to them, so that's not good, but I'm just floating down the Colorado River. It's pretty peaceful, actually. It is a little chilly, but not too bad. And the sun's hot, so that helps a lot.
Guys, this is so epic.
It is beautiful out here.
It is so beautiful.
I just hopped on the ducky with Ashton. It is amazing.
It is so cool. The mountains are everywhere.
It is beautiful.
Right now we're about to go on huge rapids. It's gonna be so awesome.
Yeah, our last rapids for the day. Let's do it.
Full speed ahead!
Oh, we're gonna tip. Not if we tip, it won't be.
Oh my God!
Yeah, let's go, let's go. Yeah, 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 yeah. Nice job, Kay. Oh no. Guys, this is crazy. They're having a war trying to push people in.
Get him, boy!
Let's go. No, no, no. Oh, Austin.
I got him so bad, they had no idea where I was shooting from.
What is that? It's a fire. Anyone want to go hiking? Let's go hiking. Woo! All right, we're driving home from youth conference and we see a giant fire. This is crazy. Literally, the fire is right there. This is nuts. Wish us luck. This is crazy.